What's up, CarRev3 fam? Listen up. If you're looking for a premium sedan that actually makes sense in 2027, the kind of daily driver that mixes comfort, efficiency, and Mercedes-level polish, then the 2027 Mercedes-Benz CLA220 Hybrid deserves your attention. This isn't an EV you have to plug in, and it's not some gas-only relic either. It's basically Mercedes' answer to why not both, delivering hybrid efficiency with real everyday usability. Now let's talk powertrain. Under the hood, you'll find a 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder paired with a clever mild hybrid system that integrates the electric motor right inside the 8-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox. The whole package makes about 208 horsepower and 280 pound-feet of torque, enough to feel peppy around town and confident on the highway. The electrical side comes from a 1.3 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery and a 30 HP electric motor, which can actually move the car under light throttle or cruising conditions without firing up the gas engine. How does it feel in real life? People who've driven it say it's like a German Prius, meaning smooth, efficient, and relaxed, but way better to drive than a Toyota Prius. That electric assist smooths out takeoffs around town or in traffic, and in casual driving, the powertrain feels perfectly adequate. But here's the catch. If you want to merge quickly or hustle onto a freeway, there's a slight lag as the system wakes up the gas engine. It's not terrible, but it's something you feel until you learn how to modulate the throttle. The CLA220 Hybrid also has a sport mode you can flick on with a dynamic select button that keeps the engine running all the time so you don't have that little hesitation when you ask for power. That makes it noticeably more responsive, especially if you opt for the all-wheel drive setup, which can send up to 40% of power to the rear wheels for better grip. On the road, this thing feels classier than most compact hybrids. It stays planted and stable at highway speeds, and because Mercedes put acoustic insulation all over the interior, it's almost EV quiet when you're cruising. That's a nice touch for daily use. The brake pedal blends regenerative and mechanical braking cleanly, though if you're coming to a full stop from highway speed, you'll need to put a little leg into it, which feels pretty natural once you get used to it. Inside, you'll barely know you're in a hybrid. It's almost the same as the fully electric CLA EV. You get a 10.3-inch digital instrument cluster and optional MBUX super screen upgrades that bring a 14-inch center display and a 14-inch passenger screen, all powered by Mercedes' top-tier interface and AI-powered virtual assistant. You've also got Google Maps built in and optional Dolby Atmos sound if you're into high-end audio. Seats are comfy and supportive. The panoramic sunroof gives a bright, airy feel, and there's enough rear headroom to keep average adults comfortable. Space is decent for a compact sedan, and the ride quality is smooth enough for daily commutes and weekend trips alike. The hybrid isn't about speed. Mercedes estimates about 7.1 seconds to 0 to 60 miles per hour, but it's enough to make you feel confident passing slower traffic. It isn't a sports car, and you don't buy it for thrills. You buy it because it's smart, efficient, and premium. Mercedes hasn't officially announced pricing yet, but based on previous CLA pricing, you can expect the CLA220 Hybrid to start close to $50,000, give or take. That puts it in a premium bracket without feeling ridiculous, especially considering the tech, comfort, and hybrid efficiency you're getting. So, here's the bottom line. For 2027, the CLA220 Hybrid gives you a real-world Mercedes experience without needing to hunt for a charger, without sacrificing style or comfort, and without making daily driving feel like a compromise. Would you grab one for your commute or weekend cruise? Drop your take in the comments. CarRev3. Real cars, real talk. Always.